Today, we're gonna talk about something that every building needs, but most people overlook. Talking about airtightness. Is that invisible shield that could literally make or break your entire building.
Picture the perfect wall. It's got 4 control layers: water, air, thermal, and vapor. All essentials. But which one is the real MVP? Surprise, is not the one keeping you warm, it's the air layer. Yep, the one that literally holds everything else together like duct tape for your entire building. Ever seen paint peel off? Weird bubbles on your wall? Or that one corner of your house that smells like a swamp? Well, that's humidity crashing the party. And condensation is the uninvited +1. Let's break it down. Warm air leaks out, hits cold surfaces, it cools down, and boom, it can't hold moisture anymore. Results? Condensation, mold, rotting structure, very creepy vibes. And it gets worse. Say hello to the villain known as thermal bypass.
It's what happened when air leakage turns your insulation into a soggy potato chip.
Performance can drop up to 75%. Doesn't matter how much insulation you throw in, if your air layer is weak, everything else fails. But what is considered airtight? If you're aiming for passive house standards, you need 0.6 ACH at 50 pascals. Translation: that means in an hour, only 60% of the air inside gets replaced. Just FYI, Ontario Building Codes allows 4 times more. That's like comparing a scuba tank to a colander. Take this building in Vancouver. Nothing fancy, same insulation, same design, only one change: the air leakage rate. And guess what? Boom! Suddenly it meets passive house performance. Airtightness, people. Airtightness.
Now, here is the golden question. How do you build airtight like a boss? Well, you follow the 5 commandments of an air barrier system: continuity, impermeability, durability, strength, and stiffness.
The first step is knowing your materials. Air barriers are in a single layer, they are a system.
Now, you have 2 big concepts.
Permeability, which means how well a material lets air through it, and permeance, meaning how much air transfers through a thickness of the material. Now, passive house want permeance under 0.038, but the Canadian code, even tougher actually, is 0.02. Here is the cheat sheet. Non-airtight materials are something like brick blocks, EPS, and wood siding, while our airtight heroes can be something like reinforced concrete, EPDM, specialty membranes. Oh, but let's talk about joints. Joints are like weak links in your armor, just like my knees. Sealants, reinforced membranes, and high quality tape are your best friends. Yes, tape, and not the duck kind.
That's part 1 of our airtight journey. Now, next time, we'll explore how airtightness affects moisture and water control, and why skipping this could leave you in hot water, or worse, wet insulation. So, if you learned something new, stay tuned for part 2, and let me know in the comments what part of your house you suspect is leaking like a sieve. Until then, stay sealed and stay chill.